Earn $100 or more a day with a simple drag and drop tool? Want to know how people are making serious money selling Notion templates? No coding, no design degree, no fluff. We're talking about a side hustle that can be launched today, with the potential to generate passive income for months and even years to come. This is legit internet income. And if you're all about turning your screen time into income, like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss a money play. Notion has exploded. From productivity nerds to students to CEOs, everyone's using it to organize their lives. But not everyone wants to build a template from scratch. That's where you come in. People want solutions that are ready to go, that can save them time and energy. Notion templates provide that instant gratification. Instead of spending hours, even days, trying to build the perfect system, they can buy a template and hit the ground running. And they're willing to pay for that convenience. What kind of templates are we talking about? Everything from budget trackers and fitness planners to content calendars, project management systems, and even resumes and cover letters. There's a market for almost anything you can think of. The beauty of this business model is its low barrier to entry. You don't need any fancy software or expensive equipment. All you need is a Notion account, some creativity, and a little bit of hustle. Once you create a template, you can sell it over and over again, creating a truly passive income stream. So if you're looking for a legitimate way to make money online, selling Notion templates could be your golden ticket. In the next chapter, we'll dive into exactly how to find profitable niches and create templates that sell like hotcakes. The key to making serious money with Notion templates is identifying a profitable niche. What problem are people struggling with that a Notion template can solve? Start with a simple use case: budget tracker, fitness planner, content calendar, startup CRM, wedding planner. Think about who would need this: students, entrepreneurs, content creators. Once you have a niche and a use case, it's time to research. Head over to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and even Notion's own template marketplace to see what's already out there. What are people selling? How much are they charging? What are the reviews like? This will give you valuable insights into what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to niche down even further. The more specific you can be, the better you can target your ideal customer and the less competition you'll face. Chapter 3. Now that you've identified a profitable niche, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start building your template. Notion is incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. Start with a blank page and think about the core features your target audience needs. For example, a budget tracker might include sections for income, expenses, savings goals, and debt tracking. Use Notion's drag-and-drop interface to add tables, toggles, calendars, and other elements that will make your template both functional and visually appealing. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different layouts until you find something that works well. Look at what others are doing for inspiration, but make yours better or more focused. Add your own unique spin, whether it's a specific feature, a different design aesthetic, or even just a more comprehensive approach. The goal is to create a template that's not only functional but also enjoyable to use. Chapter 4. A well-designed template is more likely to convert into sales. Think about it. Would you rather buy a template that looks like it was thrown together in 5 minutes, or one that looks polished and professional? Notion has a ton of built-in features that can help you create a visually appealing and user-friendly experience. Start by choosing a clean and modern font. Stick to 1 or 2 font families throughout your template for a cohesive look. Next, add some color. You can use Notion's built-in color palette or create your own custom colors. Just be sure to choose colors that complement each other and don't clash. Images are another great way to add visual interest to your template. Use high-quality images that are relevant to your niche. Finally, don't forget about branding. Add your logo or website address to your template to make it your own. Chapter 5. Congratulations! You've built your first Notion template. Now it's time to get it out into the world and start making some money. The first step is to choose a platform to sell your template. There are a ton of options out there, but some of the most popular include Gumroad, Payhip, and Etsy. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so it's important to do your research and choose the one that's right for you. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to create your listing. This is where you'll need to write compelling copy that highlights the benefits of your template and convinces people to buy it. Be sure to include high-quality images or even a video demo of your template in action. Finally, don't forget to promote your template. Share it on social media, reach out to influencers in your niche, and consider running ads to get the word out. Selling Notion templates is one of the lowest effort, highest return side hustles online right now. No shipping, no customers to call, just helpful digital tools people love. And the best part, you can do it all in your spare time from anywhere in the world. So what are you waiting for? Drop a comment and tell me what kind of Notion template you'd want to make. If this sparked any ideas, smash that like button, share it with someone who's sleeping on Notion, and subscribe to Legit Internet Income.